This is a bamboo cutting board set of 3 with anti-slip firm corners and deep juice grooves. It is a naturally antimicrobial chopping board for meats and vegetables. It's great as a cheese board or serving tray. Noteworthy are the fine craftsmanship and quality materials made from choice cuts of organic bamboo, which provides a natural, clean, and durable surface. Safety first, superior silicone decorative grips ensure safe cutting and no slipping. The deep channels provide for no mess meal prep. The design features deep wells around the perimeter of each board, which catch all the meat juices, moisture from vegetables, and tiny bits of food particles. This is one affordable value pack. You'll receive 3 cutting boards for your kitchen. The large cutting board is 17 by 12 by 0.6, the medium is 14 inches by 10 by 0.6, and the small cutting board is 12 by 8 by 0.6. And it's prepared with an oil finish. We've applied mineral oil so your board will be ready to use upon arrival. Rest assured, this is a risk-free purchase.